In this video, you'll learn how to create a set of laser beams, which can be useful for bank vaults among other high-security areas. If you're on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to max legacy and restart 3ds Max. I will be using an interior model from the game, but this guide works for any model, and so you are welcome to work with your own interior model. Start by creating a cylinder with your desired radius. I will use 0.1 meters as radius and give it 6 sides. It can be any length, as we will trim off the lengths later. Insert a loop cut. Trim off the sides and remove the unused polygon in both ends. Create a preview material to see roughly how it will end up looking in-game. Add vertex alpha to channel 3 for preview purposes. Center pivot to model. Start arraying the lasers. Add another array modifier, this time array it to create several layers of lasers to make it more daunting to get through. Start unwrapping the model and preview the UV scroll effect, which we will add an MTA with a UV scroll shader. Export files to MTA. Due to how the array and vertex paint modifiers works, it's best to detach polygons to a new copy and export that copy instead of the original.